Hey everyone, welcome back to Nice Courses. I am Utharv, and on this channel we learn coding and modern tech skills from beginner to advanced in a simple and practical way. So far we have learned the fundamentals of JavaScript like variables, conditions, functions, arrays, loops and objects. Now it's time to move from just writing code to actually controlling a real website. Today we are starting DOM manipulation, and this is the most important topic in web development. In this video we will learn what the DOM is, how JavaScript sees a web page, how to select elements. Let's start. What is the DOM? When you open a website, you see text, buttons, images, etc. JavaScript doesn't see it like that. It sees the web page as a structure of objects. Imagine like a tree. Documents, body, h1, p, and then button. Each element is like a node in the tree. This entire structure is called DOM, Document Object Model. So basically, DOM is a structure that JavaScript can read and control. Basic HTML setup. Before using DOM, we need HTML. Right here I have a basic HTML file. Connect JavaScript. Add this before closing the body tag. Script src is equals to then your file name script, your JavaScript file name, mine is script.js, and then close the tag. Selecting elements, very important. Now we tell JavaScript go find something on the page. For example, let title is equals to document.getElementById, and we will tell it to find title, and then we'll add console.log title. Explanation. Title is the ID. JavaScript finds that element. We store it in a variable. Now when we open the website, it says hello over here, and when we open the console, it says the title. Method 2, querySelector. For example, let title is equals to document dot querySelector hashtag title. Explanation. Hashtag is used for ID, works like CSS selector, very commonly used. Method 3, querySelectorAll. For example, let items is equals to document dot querySelectorAll and p. Explanation. Selects all matching elements and returns a list. Story explanation. Think of DOM like a search system. Get element by ID, search by exact name. querySelector, first match. querySelectorAll, all matches. Important debug step. Always check your element by doing console.log and then your items. If you see null, it means wrong ID or script loaded too early. Common mistake, very important. If JavaScript runs before HTML loads, it won't find elements. Fix. Always put script src on the bottom so it won't load early. Quick recap. DOM, structure of a web page. JavaScript can access it. We use selectors to find elements. And that's it. Now you understand how JavaScript finds elements on a web page. In part 2, we'll actually change texts, change styles, add click interactions, This is where things get really interesting. Make sure to subscribe. I'm Atharv and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding.